CRM. What I would like to do now is I'd like to log off, and we're going to go through a relatively real-world scenario as it applies to a company called Panoply Technologies. And we're going to walk through from marketing to sales to after the sales support and then some administrative functions. But I want to walk through the stages and specifically the workflows, the navigation of the product as it applies to everyone in your enterprise. Now, I understand that a lot of people that will be watching this webinar don't sell software, but you do sell some type of product, you do sell some type of services, and you support your clients. So again, although the product may not be specific to you, the CRM solution itself can easily be molded to your specific needs. So right now I'd like to log in as one of our marketing employees. And the first thing that we're going to note here is that everybody that logs into a different screen. User preferences within the CRM solution allow individuals to set up the product the way they prefer to work. And I'll get into that in a little more detail with the next person I log into. But at this point, I'm going to select Marketing Automation. What we want to do now is generate and distribute some leads for our salespeople. Okay. So the first way we do that is we're going to create a target list. So I'm going to go to the Target List tab and select that. And you can see here we have a list of existing company, person, or product lists for us to reuse, to filter by, or we can create a new one, which is what I'm going to do now. So let's generate a list of trade show leads that we've imported by state. And I want to send this to individuals, not to overall companies or product target lists. And now from here, it's basically point and click. Okay? List management, very easy to use. So since we're going to create a mailer and send out some marketing collateral to the people on this list, let's get address 1, highlight, and add that to target contents. Scroll down here a little bit. We will need city. We will need country. We will need zip code. And we will need state. And these are all going to come up as columns on my list that I generate. Now, since we wanted search by state, which was so put in the name up there, I'm going to also add state to the search criteria by selecting that button. So you can understand that any of the fields that exist in this select column can also be searched by. So you can make this extremely finite. Get very detailed in the lists that you want to capture. Now I'm going to scroll down here and just add customer first name and customer last name. And then the source. How did we capture this information originally? So again, we want trade show leads, right? Website leads, maybe personal visits. And I added that to the search criteria and to the target content. And let's select continue. So now what's it asking me? Now it's asking me for that search criteria that we predefined, right? So let's actually do state, and we'll say equal to. And we'll pull up all of the customers in the state of Massachusetts. I could select by phone call, by email. This is how they first contacted us, by website, by trade show, or I can pull everyone. And then I select continue. So again, you can understand how finite you can get this information. And there you go. There's a list of those people that fall into that search criteria. Very fast, very easy. And now that list is saved for us to reuse over and over again. Let's take it one step further. Look down in the lower right-hand corner. What can I do